Hello and assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome back in my new tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to design antenna at 5.8 gigahertz. So this circuit is representing our patch antenna, which will resonate at 5.8 gigahertz. The capacitance of this circuit is 1 picofarad, and inductor, here I have used inductor of 0.745 nanohenry, while the input resistance or the internal resistance of resistor is equal to 1 ohm. You can change it according to your demand for your matching purpose. While here is I have used a terminator of 50 ohm. So first of all I need to connect these two with each other. So for that you can drag it over here, and then you can change, then you can also drag your ground to this. So ground is connected with a resistor, and the resistor is connected with this patch. Now I need to design feed line. So for that I will need inductor. So I can select inductor from over here. So you can see inductor is selected, is connected over here. The value of inductance is 0.745 nanohenry, while I need a capacitor of the same value. So I will select capacitor from this place, and I will put it over here. So you can see by pressing escape this capacitor will be deselected. Now if you drag it, you can see capacitor is connected with inductor, while inductor is connected with this patch line. So this equivalent circuit of patch. So this is our patch, this is our feed line, and this is our terminator. So for providing an electric signal or assigning a port, I will need to connect feed line microwave feed over here. So for feed purpose I have used wave source, and its internal resistance is 50 ohm. By the way, this 50 ohm is equal to the value of this terminator. So this is our 50 ohm over here, and similarly 50 ohm is here. Now I'm going to analyze S parameter. So for that I am selecting S parameter by selecting from this place, and by dragging it you can place it over here. Now I need just one S parameter, so by pressing escape the second one will be vanish. So now I need to select a starting frequency. Starting frequency will be let's suppose 3, and ending frequency, stopping frequency will be 11 gigahertz, and you can select step gigahertz according to your need. Let it to 1 gigahertz. Now I will need to simulate this circuit. So after few minutes